Hello friends, in this tutorial we discuss about arc tool. So first I am choosing arc tool. This is single arc. Click and drag. So which angle you want to finish, you can finish it by clicking or enter the value. The same way you can change your axis using your keyboard arrow keys. Just I am using right arrow key for the red axis, left arrow key for the green axis, up arrow for the blue axis. Same way you can choose. Now I am choosing 2-point arc. So click 1 point and 2 point, then click to finish. Now I am choosing 3-point arc. So click another angle. Now I am choosing pi arc tool. So it create arc and also create the surface. So finish surface. Okay, that's called pi. Also arc tool used to create surfaces. Choosing arc, so create the new surface, and also arc over the surface itself. Also arc tool create and based on tangent. So choosing arc, the arc shortcut key A, just type A in the keyboard, the arc tool automatically activated. So basically 2-point arc tool activated while using shortcut key A. There is a 90-degree lines. So I am just start here. Then you can see I am over the next line. So the colors are changed. Okay. So it's a highlighting pink color for the exact tangent. So it's indicate tangent to edge. So just click. So you can see the various colors. So black and pink. So the pink one shows exact tangent. So now you can see the pink color one is the exact tangent line. So it's created perfect arc. So same I create here. And then I choose over this. You can see the pink one. So this is exact tangent. So click and click. Okay. So now I am choosing here and over it here. So the pink one exact tangent, that just I click here. So it's a perfect tangent. Then I over here. Then click the 3rd point. And also use your arc tool to create complex shapes. I am using arc tool. Create like this. Again. See here is the blue color line. So continuing that the tangent. So you can create your perfect complex shapes. If you don't want the perfect the tangent, you can create it yourself also. Usually the arc tool create 12 side segment. So now I am creating this arc. This basically 12 segment. If I want to change this, so just here I change the number and put enter. So automatically change the sides. So this way you can make different shapes, everything. So the segments also you can use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.